Power on the transmitter and receiver, and complete the linking. Mount the receiver to the cold shoe on the camera using the clip. Use the 3.5mm TRS camera cable to connect the receiver audio output to the camera microphone input. Connect the receiver to the camera adapter using the phone adapter. Then mount the camera adapter to the camera hot shoe. After the installation, reduce the camera gain as suggested below to avoid audio clipping. When using Sony cameras, set the recording volume to 1. For Canon cameras, switch the recording mode to manual and set the recording level to the 4th notch from the left. With Nikon cameras, adjust the microphone sensitivity to around 3. For Fuji film cameras, configure the microphone port to microphone and set the external microphone volume to approximately -28.5 dB. On Panasonic cameras, set the recording level to around -12 dB. If your camera model is not listed, adjust receiver or camera gain via live monitoring. Swipe down on the receiver screen to access receiver settings. Swipe left and enable auto on/off with camera. When enabled, the receiver will automatically power on and off with the camera when connected to the camera. To record audio on your phone, you can either mount the receiver to your phone using the adapter or connect the transmitter to your phone via Bluetooth. Power on the transmitter and receiver, and complete the linking. Remove the sliding cover from the bottom of the receiver, then insert the adapter. Plug the adapter into the data port of your phone. Attach the transmitter to your collar using the clip or magnet. The phone can now capture audio through the transmitter, supporting video recording, audio recording, video conferences, or live streaming apps. For extended filming or live streaming, it is recommended to use the adapter to attach the receiver to the phone. After mounting, when using the charging cable to charge the receiver, the phone can be charged simultaneously. Power on the transmitter and press the linking button to start linking. Enable Bluetooth on the phone and select the name of your microphone among the search Bluetooth devices to connect. Connection is successful when the status LED on the transmitter is in solid blue. The transmitter will then function as an audio input device and can be used with third-party recording or live streaming apps.
If you are using a Windows system, open the computer sound settings. Select DJI Mic Mini as the input device, and you can start using the transmitter to record sound. If you are using a Mac system, find the sound settings in the system settings. Click on Input in the Input and Output options, select DJI Mac Mini, and then you can start recording audio.